I came to this meeting thinking that I was a beleaguered minority representing mad dog physicalism, and I'm very relieved to discover that so far from being a mad dog, so far from being a beleaguered minority, my differences with others, especially people whose views I have long respected, are matters of emphasis and shading. That's very reassuring to me. It's also extremely important and valuable for a group like this to get together in the complete absence of non-naturalists so that we can let our hair down and express what we really believe without worrying about its ramifications for broader debates. That's why I regret that this is videotaped and being put on YouTube. There's only one issue that I regret we did not discuss at greater length so that I could get a clearer handle on it. We've had a persistent disagreement around the table about emergence, and some of us insist that there is emergence, and it is not a problem for naturalism. And of course, adjudicating this claim requires us to pin down a concept of emergence, and I don't think it's going to require us to pin down a concept of naturalism, because I think there we are all pretty much in the same region of conceptual space. And of course, it's too late to do that now, but that is the one regret that I have about our agenda.